Welcome! In front of me I have Xiaomi Mi Portable Bluetooth speaker, and I will show you how you can check the model of your device. So you can check it right here. When you take a look here, you can spot the captions, and here we get the model of our speaker. It's right here, and you can find it also right here on this sticker. So right now when you input this code to our browser, and click go, you will find our device. And as you can see, here it is. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.